My goal in this business is to help any future home buyers out there get prepared for saying yes to the address. So today we're going to talk about lifestyle. You're not just buying a home, you are buying a lifestyle. You want to keep that top of mind when house hunting so that your must-haves are sure to give you that lifestyle you're looking for. I'm Annette Marble and I'm with Key Realty. For example, if you love to entertain, you probably want to focus on finding a home with an open floor plan with enough space for hosting wine night with those girls or tequila Tuesdays with your husband, Halloween parties, and family get-togethers. If you love outdoors, hiking through the woods, and having a campfire without your neighbors hearing everything you have to say, you probably want to not move into a crowded subdivision with the backyards facing someone else. If you have a busy work schedule and you need your home to be peaceful oasis where you can rest and recharge, you'll want to find something with separate rooms where you can relax, read a book, watch a funny movie, rather than the open concept where your main living areas are all connected. Another priority might be an updated master bath with a soaking tub instead, or a rec room with a wet bar for all those parties and tequila drinking. How would you describe your lifestyle in your current home? Or if you're looking for a new space or a new house since being quarantined for all those years, what lifestyle features would you want to be at your top of the list? Make sure you request my free guide, Say Yes to the Address, complete with questionnaire and checklist to determine your priorities when it comes to finding your new home. If this is the first time to my channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good, the bad, about living in and around Columbus, Ohio, then please subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell for notifications so you could be one of the first people to know about what's going on and what's trending in the current Columbus, Ohio market. Like my videos and give me some thumbs up. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you wanting to sell or make that smooth move into Columbus, Ohio, and we love it. Whether you're planning on moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make that move a lot easier. And don't forget, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.